Well, here's Subway. They moved. Because we were moving to our new store. There it is. Don't look too bad in there. Power's still on and everything. There's the sign. Subway, they moved.